Hi, so this is how you can adjust the rear brake light switch in case you have it always on, or in case you press the rear brake, the light doesn't turn on. So this is how you do it. If you look at the manual, you need to hold it and turn it. The access is not very good, but I managed to do it without disassembling anything on the bike. Mine was a bit stuck, so I put a little bit of spray. I used silicone spray, but you can use WD-40, and I just waited for a full day because it was really stuck. And the next day was fairly simple and it's back working. Just get one hand here and the other one under the nut, holding it, and turn the knob.